Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how you can disable this button. So let's start. So here, as you can see, we'll go to our UI, and this we only have two text form fields and the button. Now what we want to achieve is, unless and until we have some values inside our text form fields, we want our button to be disabled. So now, as you can see, we can click our button and it's enabled by default. So let's start. Inside text form field, first we will declare two strings. One string that would be our number, and another string that would be our password. Okay, so number and password for our text form field. So inside text form field we have one property called onChanged. So we have this property called onChanged, and in this onChanged, what we can write is, using setState, we will check if there is any value inside our text form field. Then we are going to set our number is equal to that value. Okay, similarly for the password text form field, inside our onChanged property we have value and setState, and we'll assign our password equal to that value. Okay, so now we can check if our text form field contains any value using these two strings. But how can you disable this button? So you can simply pass null to the onPress property of your button, so it will get disabled. So now, as you can see, our button is disabled. We are not able to click it. So now we can check if our number not equal to null and our password not equal to null, or we can see we have assigned our number to a empty string. If it's both the numbers and password is not an empty string, we can have our onPress, else we can assign it a null value. Let's just save the app. So now we can check. As you can see, I am clicking it but the button is disabled. Now let's enter a number. Okay, so I have entered a number, still our button is disabled. Let's enter a password. Now you can see here I'm typing my password and our button is enabled. And now you can see I can click our login button. You can check if I'm removing the password, our button is getting disabled again. We'll remove our number. Now we'll simply write our password, but still our button is disabled. Now we will enter a number, and here we have our button enabled. So this is a small video on how you can enable and disable your button inside your Flutter app. Hope you found this video helpful. Do like, share, subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and see you in the next video.